Hi y'all, it's Danielle from Large Family Homestead. We are getting ready to go pick up our Azure order. Someone opened a drop closer to our house and we are very excited. I have like 9 of the kiddos with me because Brooke and Brian are at their gardening class, so let's go. It's here. We are barely fitting this, people. Have a few more to get in there. We can do it. It was a big order this time. Alright y'all, we barely made it home. We got stuff busting out the seams here. I put the juice on the ground. So I think what I'm going to do is start unpacking this and show it to you in stages. It's going to be a lot easier. Alright, we unloaded all the cold stuff because obviously that needs to be put away, and I have my cheat sheet, so let's see what cold things we got. I got a 6-pack of the Alvarado Street Bakery. Those are sprouted everything bagels. They are so good. We love those. Make breakfast sandwiches out of them. We paid $26.14 for the 6-pack, so that's $4.36 a pack. And I got these organic French fries. That is 5 pounds. I don't normally buy French fries. We normally just cut up potatoes if we want something like that. But doing a stock up, trying to stock up our freezer and our pantry. So that was $14.69, $2.94 a pound. Underneath it, I got a 6-pack of the Organic Valley Sweet Cream Creamer. Costco got rid of our creamer. So we're going to try this out. That was $27.05 or $4.51 a piece. Those are big bottles in there, I can tell. And then, as usual, I got the 18 pounds of butter. That is the Mother's Choice salted butter. I've been putting that in the freezer, just stacking up, people. Butter went crazy price there for a while. $63.60 for 18, so that's $3.53 a piece. Then I got our normal 5 pounds of raw cheddar cheese. They come in, I don't have a boy here with a knife to help me open this. They come in 8-ounce packages already, which is very nice and convenient for us. Helps us control portions too. For the cheddar, I paid $26.79 or $5.36 a pound. And then 5 pounds of frozen strawberries whole. That was $19.86 or $3.97 a pound. This Monterey Jack and Colby cheese that we shred, 5 pounds of that was $31.73 or $6.35 a pound. Then we have 5 pounds of frozen blueberries. What did we pay for that? $12.35, $2.47 a pound. The raw Landmark Pepper Jack cheese, again 10 packages, 8 ounces a piece, was $27.03 or $5.41 a pound. And then Nancy's sour cream. I got a 6-pack of the probiotic sour cream. We like to make dip out of that. We use it in some recipes. Let's see, that was $19.03 or $3.17 a piece. I'll keep unloading the van here, see what else we found. Keep in mind, guys, this is going to be a really big order this month. I was budgeting for this month to be a stock up, so that's why it's going to be so much more than normal. Alright, the next thing I pulled out of the van was all of our produce. So this is what we got from Azure for the produce order. Starting right here. Let's see what's in here. There's some kind of apples, but I bought a bunch of apples. So these are the Fuji apples. That's a 40-pound pack of the Fuji apples for $54.75. That was only $1.37 a pound. Way cheaper than I can get apples for at Costco. So then I got another kind of apple. I like to order different kinds because they don't always ship. Let's see. These are the Ambrosia apples. We haven't tried those, but they look good too. That's another 40-pound box of the Ambrosia. Were $59.95, so $1.50 a pound on those. I got 2 bags of organic lemons. They're 2 pounds a piece. They were $5.95 a bag, so about $3 a pound, which is, I think, about what I pay at Costco. And then 38 pounds of organic grapefruit. They are $59.25, so we paid $1.56 a pound on those. The last apple we got is the Galas, organic Gala apples. 40 pounds of those for $56.75 or $1.42 a pound. We also got the large 25-pound of carrots. These are supposed to be number 2 carrots. They don't look like number 2s to me. They look like great big carrots. They're gonna be great for juicing. $35.75, $1.43 a pound. Here I got 20 pounds of, oh, that's nice, the organic Boss pears. They are individually wrapped. That is so cute. The kids are gonna love those. They were $37.50 or $1.88 a pound. Yes, we will go through all this produce in a month. I promise. None of it will get wasted. That's a 50-pound bag of potatoes. Those are the yellow, organic, golden yellow. I was buying them at Costco, but I just like Azure's better, guys. These come in individual bags, so there's 10 bags in there, 5 pounds a piece. And those I paid $62.75 for, $1.26 a pound. Then the fun thing that I splurged just a little bit on because I was curious to see what it was is the variety pack. Have you guys seen that? There's the variety pack is $42 and you don't know what you're getting. So I thought, let's just try it and have a little fun. And I'm going to do a separate video on this of an unboxing. But guys, there's a lot of stuff in there. If you want to see all what's in there, check out my other video. But there's a pineapple. Very fun. Alright, let's unpack the rest of the van. Okay, y'all, we made a mess of the trunk, but let's get through this order. So I also did get 10 different varieties of seeds that we looked through our stuff that we had and things that we needed. That came to $31.30 for all those seeds. And then let's do this box because I can throw things in here. I got these organic peppermints. There's the ingredients. Can you see them? And so that little container of peppermints, let me look at my cheat sheet here, came to $2.84. And then you guys have seen me buy these before, the licorice sticks. We get those because, again, there's virtually no ingredients. And they're just nice to have around when we have a sweet tooth. Bailey likes the black licorice, the rest of us don't. But for a 12-pack of those, it's $8.33, 69 cents a piece. I'm just going to move this box here to put some things in. But while I'm here, there's some juice that we got. So the Lakewood juices were on sale. So we got the Lakewood Orange Mango, a 6-pack for $36.68, which came to $6.11 each. And then the Black Cherry Juice Blend, they're both organic, $32.55, came to $5.43 each. Let me move my seeds here. Sorry about all the shadows. It's not a good time to tape, apparently. And we have the April flyer. We can throw that over here. Okay. We also purchased 2 of these organic unbleached cheesecloth. Each of them has 2 square yards, and for that we paid $3.45 a piece. But I bought 2 of them. I'll throw that in the box. And then the Pomona's Universal Pectin to make jelly with came to $5.53. And I forget how much this does. We got someone starting up the tractor behind us. It says it makes 22 half-pint jars, 1 box, so. Alright, I had never gotten these Late July nacho cheese chips, but we have eaten other Late July things. And I like them. So, the 3-pack was $13.56 or $4.52 a piece. We also have our favorite sauerkraut, a 6-pack of the Bubby's spicy sauerkraut. That came to $33.93 or $5.66 each. Remember, I'm doing a stock up, so that's gonna last us a while. Hopefully at least 4 months. Underneath it, we have a 10-pound box of dried organic Thompson Select raisins for $24.68, $2.47 a pound. Then there's also spaghetti noodles, just plain old spaghetti noodles. We were running low in the pantry. I got 2 boxes of those. There's another one back there. So that came to $38.16 a box or $1.91 a pound. Behind it is a box of the Bio Nature penne pasta, and that is there's 12 boxes in there, a pound each. That's 12 pounds for $32.01 or $2.67 a pound. And then this one is our dried cranberries. This lasts us for a while because I'm stingy with them and I save them for treats because they're not cheap, but I do appreciate that they're not sweetened with sugar. They are sweetened with apple juice, which is better in my mind anyway. So that was, let's see, how much did I pay for those? $41.68 or $8.34 a pound. Then I have a case of pizza sauce, will also last us for many months for when we do pizza night. So that is a 12-pack of the Muir Glen organic pizza sauce for $31.95, $2.66 a piece. I probably am not going to move all these big bags. You're just going to have to take my word for it. But this is the Redmond salt, was a 25-pound bag. Great price for the salt, $72. It comes to $2.89 a pound. Then in these bags here and here, I've also purchased 50 pounds of our hard red wheat berries because we make our own bread. We grind our bread, our wheat, $41.66 or 83 cents a pound. 50 pounds of soft white wheat for like our muffins and things, $41.66, 83 cents a pound. Also got 2 40-pound alfalfa pellets for the cows, $29.48 a bag, 74 cents a pound. Okay, and then moving over here, we have a 6-pack of the Santa Cruz crunchy organic peanut butter. I can only get creamy peanut butter at Costco, but we wanted some crunchy, so it's $35.14, $5.86 a jar. Underneath it in the white bucket is 5 gallons of organic raw apple cider vinegar. We use that for lots of things, but the stuff that I buy in the buckets gets turned into fly spray for the cows with some essential oils. That came to $57.30 or $11.46 a gallon. Now onto some of the smaller things here. We have 5 pounds of the yellow popcorn. Let's see here. I'm just making a mess here. Okay. 5 pounds of the yellow popcorn comes to $9.16 or $1.83 a pound. I also bought this liquid chlorophyll. I normally use another brand, but this one looked interesting. I thought it was much better than what I pay. I buy normally the Mary Ruth's, and it's a smaller bottle and costs a lot more. So we'll see how I feel with this one. It's 16 ounces, it's organic, it's chlorophyll, it's $14.02. Now I know that her chlorophyll comes from mulberry, this one comes from alfalfa. I'm not sure what the difference is, but we're gonna give it a try. I also got a 32 ounce of coconut aminos. Let's see. And we use that as a soy sauce replacement because we don't use soy sauce. So wherever we would have used soy sauce, we swap it out with that. And that came in $19.49. And then the Food Alive black seed oil was on sale again. I have a good stock of it, but it's just so expensive that I always buy one when it's on sale. It saves me a lot of money. That was $19.15. And then back there, we had tried the buckwheat pancake mix last time. We loved it, so we bought a 10-pound bag this time, $13.56, $1.36 a pound. A lot of times we'll make our own pancake mix, but that's nice to have when we just need something quick. This moringa leaf powder, great to put into smoothies. And how much is that? That's a pound, and we paid $9.02 for that. And then you caught us, we've been in this. So I splurged on 2 things this month. One was the fruit and veggie box that we looked at, and then these someone had recommended, and they're not cheap, but I really wanted to try them. These mango bites. Let's see if you can see. The ingredients are organic mango, organic dates, organic walnuts, organic coconut, and organic watermelon seeds and salt. And we couldn't resist trying them. They're so good. They will definitely be something that we will continue to get, but we'll have to ration heavily because 5 pounds of the mango bites were $46.55, $9.31 a pound. And now we'll look at my spices. Remember, it was a stock up, so I went through all my spices to see what I may be running even slightly low on, and I got it while I could. So I'm going to do this in the way of my list to make it easier. So I don't know if I told you the beef gelatin, but we make our own jello. That's what we're going to use some of that juice for. So a pound of that was $13.14. And then the cinnamon powder, organic, that is a pound for $21.44. And then we also have Italian dressing mix. Love this. This is all we use anymore. A pound. Mix it with some oil. That is at $9.83 for that. And then the pickling spice, a pound, is $11.61. The medium chili powder is $7.22. And finally, the taco seasoning mix is $9.25. Sorry about all the hay. We are a homesteading family. We have a lot of hay, always, everywhere. So, what I didn't get, because Azure often forgets to ship things or runs out of things or whatever, is I had ordered maca root powder for the smoothies. Didn't get that. I didn't get my 14 pounds of organic banana chips. And I didn't get my 50 pounds of hard white wheat. So those will all go in my next order. But my total with shipping did come to $1,713.25, which is not a typical month for us. This was a stock up month. So a lot of this stuff will last us for quite a while. I'd love to hear what you guys get. So leave me a comment. Let me know what I should try. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.